Hi all. Let's take a look at a very simple task that is we generally face kind of problems when we fork the main repository and in the fork repository we do some couple of changes and then we try to match the fork repository with the main repository, but by the time the main repository has done some changes, so there we get some kind of conflicts. So generally this is not a good practice, forking from the main repository and doing the changes and doing merging that. Generally people do create branches and then they do the changes in the branches instead of directly doing the changes in the fork branch. So but here is a typical scenario that I fork this branch, this is the main branch, and this being forked in let's suppose this is another one, this is another user, he has forked from here, and let's see, this guy is gonna do some changes. uh, I'm gonna really explain you the way, how we're gonna get this kind of conflicts, and we're gonna resolve those conflicts. I'm gonna show you how to resolve these conflicts by using an easiest way. For that, let's do a small change in one of the class that this repository has got. Perhaps we'll go and change this particular DAO, let's say. Uh, Let me just do some modification over here very quickly, and this is uh, this is for creating employee. This is one change. Okay, so let me commit this change. uh, Employee create commit one. So I'm gonna commit this into the photo repository, and the next thing that I'm gonna do the same kind of thing maybe over here, that's in this one, the same particular class. So maybe it here it doesn't have any change, but in upstream and in the main repository I'm gonna do this change. Well, let me write something over here. uh, this is for creating creating only the employee, only the employee. I really want to have the only over here. uh, Let me just commit this in the main branch. Create employee, create commit 2. Let's put this, and let's check in this change into the directly under the master branch. So here we go. So this forker guy wants to pull request, create a pull request to make the changes. Okay, so I would like to just say new pull request. Now here you're gonna see the problem now can't automatically merge. This might be the problem that a lot of people might be seeing this, but still you can create a pull request. Don't worry, you can still create a pull request. So let it be this as it is and create a pull request. uh, what you want to do here, once you're doing, just go to the main branch. So you get a mail after that, and you get the mail. Yeah, you're evading this. Right, this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. You can, it shows two options, either command line or GitHub. So I would like to choose this GitHub desktop. You just have this get shell or GitHub already installed in your machine. It's very simple to do that. uh, just open this in GitHub. So launch this application, and yeah, just run this. Because the conflict has come because the same line I did the change. If it is a different lines, then perhaps it can create on its own, but because I did it on the same line, this problem is coming. Just select any folder that you would like to do this. I would like to do the new one again. So it's gonna clone over here. uh, yes, this is done. Let's wait for a moment for get it update. All right, so you need to just click on this changes, because there are no changes, but when you say update from master, then it says unable to match, because it says that you need to resolve the conflicts, because we have done the change at the same line. So here we go. The class that we did is this particular, because it has said conflicted. You can just unselect it, because these are the other things that were there in my things. We can just probably, okay. So we have only one option. We probably want to uh, manually update, because there is no other way. We need to update this file manually. So this head version is indicating that from the head it is, and this thing, it is coming from the other thing. Let's see. Let's open this file and let's try to keep what we want here. It's this one, and this is for creating. Which one you would like to keep, that, and just keep that, okay, and the remaining you just take it out, because in one of the things you want to, okay. So this is for creating only the employee class, or you want to say, uh, maybe you can say something, yeah, like this is for creating the only employee class, or whichever the change you want to have. This is for creating the employee class, or whatever change you want to. Just save this. It all depends on what you want to keep. Is it for the fork one, or is it for the main one? So just close this. Automatically this gets this is going and this is coming. This is a change I would like to keep. So just select this and come into the prior. This is the one. This is temporarily created. Just now it does automatically does this, and now create the pull request from here. Now it sees, it's very simple now. It's now going to give you a safe merging. I mean, there is no problem now, automatically it can be done. Send this pull request over there. Oh, just a moment. Yeah, send this pull request. Once this is done, we will be eventually seeing the change over there in our the repository, the main repository. A request created, that is well done. We come here and see here now. Well, let's move this all out. Let's put this. See this now. PR2 that is created over here now. Okay, so you can just see this. This branch has no conflicts with the base branch. Earlier it was having a problem. Just merge this, and now just if you want to comment this successfully, committed, successfully merged. Let's give a comment. This is just a comment, okay, and just you can delete this branch, because this is no more required. This is a temporary branch that it is created. Now all we are done. We can go and now check our main branch. Come here and take a look at, because it's already giving this PR12. Okay, come here and take a look at Mango DB, because this is what we have changed, and we can see this is a comment we have. This is taken by the already the GitHub Desktop. Okay, and see this is what are the change I kept it. Okay, so like this, if you have not many number of conflicts, and you can resolve one by one by hand, and the conflicts only comes when you do the changes on the same line. That's the main thing. Okay, but generally the conflicts do not come when you do in the different lines. Okay, so this is the only thing, that when we are forking into the some branch, and the main has some changes, and your fork branch has same changes. This is the easiest way I found, because I struggled a lot to find out, but I just experimented and it was working fine to me. I hope you would also find it very useful. Thank you very much.